Okay, so I have three boxes here, box 1, box 2 and box 3. And for each of the boxes I have given the different color. Box 1 is having blue color, box 2 red and box 3 yellow. So I will now tell you about the position property. We have position relative and position absolute that we will be talking here. So let me first tell you the definition of position relative. So when we set an element's position to relative, it means that elements will be positioned relative to its normal position in the document flow. In other words, it will still occupy space in the document flow, but you can move it from its default position using top, right, bottom, and left properties. So it will be positioned relative to its normal flow, like normal position. So let me give some position property to box 3. Like I am giving position relative to box 3. Box 3 is of yellow color, and let me give top to 10 pixel. As you can see, it has moved 10 pixel below from its relative position and left to 10 pixel. Now also you can see it has moved towards right, 10 pixel towards right. So now if I will give position absolute, now what happens? It has come out of the flow. Now let me tell you the definition of position absolute. So when we set an element's position to absolute, it takes the element out of the normal document flow. So it basically takes the element of the normal flow, and its position is then relative to its nearest position ancestor. So what this line means is, let me explain you. Like box 2 is parent of box 3. So if I give position relative to box 2, so now box 3 is having the position absolute, but it will act as a relative to box 2. So now it will move 10 pixel below and left 10 pixel relative to its parent, because I have given position relative to its parent. So that line only meant that only that its position is then relative to its nearest position ancestor. So that is all about position absolute and position relative.